This 2023 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series 34H5 is a Class A RV. It is located in Mims, Florida 32754 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, Mims. This new Forest River is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 5, slideout, and 82 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2023 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series 34H5 is built on a Ford F53 chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Optimum RV, Mims, visit RVUSA.com.